Me pen to serve. Me pen to serve. One already.
Hi.
Can I get one slice of pizza, two hot chocolate, and one slice of bread?
Hi.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi.
Peaches. Peaches. We are waiting up so early for the peaches.
I can't sleep, see you just a sin more. You just a talk, just a chat.
So Peaches, what do you think this is? I sleep in the morning. You can't just get up and wake me up so early, girl. You mad somebody or what? Me have my dream, me have my good dream, say me I win a lot and you come wake me up. You can't wake me up when me asleep, so girl. You mad? By the way, what the breakfast say? You know sometimes I get up in the morning time, the first thing is my breakfast.
Which breakfast?
I mean...
Me not just wake up pants.
Peaches. You're supposed to wake up before me and look about my breakfast in the Peaches. You know this, you know?
Me gonna look about you.
Peaches not ramp with me, girl.
Alright, fine.
Sure. Yes, Rasta. Thank God I never wake up and find myself dead in a Paradise Nation original. You know you go. Burn out the wicked them, burn out the bad mind people them, keep me safe and bless me old Jah. Rasta for alright. Pumpkin or breakfast there!
Me a pump.
Every man and damn blasted same thing.
Eat your pants.
I say you give a man, I say you talk to your man now. Eh? Talk to me better. We need for you to live loving. We need for you to live loving. Why you talking to me like that?
Pants.
Talk to me better. So take up your back and say, here pants.
Here pants.
That's better.
Otherwise, should I tell you how we are today?
Yes, Pan. Yeah, pumpkin.
And me, I'm so sick of chat.
Jesus Christ. What kind of tea is that?
Sugar and water.
This is why it tastes so wet. Huh?
Yes, foolishness of chat.
Tell us I like my tea dry, you know.
You know, go outside, go dry it.
Pumpkin.
Huh.
I think we should start live loving, you know. Yeah? We need to start live loving. Like good man and woman when then like respectable. If I'm care from my country is like the change. You kill me. Take your time, man.
I show me no want you to walk.
Oh yeah, but you know I'm a big respectable man down at the park there, you know. I'm a big respectable man. I'm a dignitary. So I should look like a dignitary. Right? And you know what them laugh off of your man down there.
No fun. You know beard.
When me come in back my beard. Last night when I come in I asked for early piece. I asked for piece that you know give me none.
You know so me have seen fit talk to you about that same thing there. But come here, we take time and talk. Me no want nobody hear.
No man, talk to me man. Talk to me because I'm me a parent and this, you know. It's me a parent and this, so me can me free to chat anything I want to chat say. So talk to me.
Come now. Come now.
Pumpkin. And that talk, let me hear girl. I'm to you man.
You see? You see from other day, yeah? From other day, you know? Anytime you have sex and see this thing just solve, so it's like...
You mad? You want people out around the area? It's what I tell you, say. What do you mean my thing soft? Eh?
What me tell you, if you make me tell you take time and you say me be talk I appearing.
You can't ramp with me now, you know, you're ramp with the life.
It's soft.
What's up? Don't make nobody hear so them something, you hear me tell you?
It's soft, it's soft. It's soft, so.
Things when I drink up them baba roots at night time and come in and not normal. Eh?
Baba roots don't make no sense.
Baba roots don't make no sense. Baba roots don't make no sense. Come man, you just run iron over shot and give me shot man, go on man. I don't have time for waste now. Come here and waste my time. You see, the house we are run, the kitchen we are run like a fast food. Here?
What do you mean by that?
If you run like down a Chase restaurant or run up a Matthews. Food fear run every minute, food up on the fire. As food come on, food go on. You hear me tell you?
Yeah, buy food.
Punky, this is who's providing in here, Punky.
Money buy food pants, you don't want to buy nothing pants. $300 10 50 pounds and half a chicken back and rice and I beg me every big season.
You know what people wish them have $300 to buy a pound of rice right now? Hmm?
Send Papa then. Send Papa here, you will get your lunch.
Make sure so when you come up here, I send the food them come up. Make sure so when you come 12:30, 12:29 food ready. You know what I'm telling you? Food ready. Sorry I come with. Oh look, where my shoes? Where my shoes? Where's my shoes, Pumpkin?
Just have to sit in my old place hard board. See them here.
Give me some of your sweets. Where sweet? Give me some of your sweet something. Sweet is something you put on. Boy, look. Like a dignitary.
What man? Are they really me perfume, me cologne, you have a rub on your arm?
So what I do there? Eh? What I do there?
You can't read.
Pumpkin, what is this, Pumpkin?
It's sweet.
Pumpkin, what is this?
Sweet.
Pumpkin, what is this, Pumpkin?
Sweet.
This is a bubble bath, Pumpkin, bubble bath.
You read this about you could read the next one, you know, say enough put on it.
You're the rank yourself. I notice you the rank yourself from when.
Don't need.
Notice you the rank yourself. But anyways, I leave here now. So I'll send the boy Popeye with the stuff them. Here?
Yeah.
Here? I love you, you know. Here?
Yeah.
Talk to me properly. We must live loving.
Yes, fans. Right? Have a great day at work, baby.
I love you, here. Remember, don't make nobody come in my yard.
You don't stick in me a living and we just go back and punch. You know, send me a coffee.
Popeye. I'm glad I'm staying, boy. You're more, though. I want you buy 3 pounds of rice and 2 tin mackerel. Can go give Pumpkin run a yard there. And remember, don't go in the house, sir. You hear me, sir? You hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Don't go in my house.
Yes, sir.
And you not get none of the food you not get. You hear me, sir? So just carry the money go gear. And you not get none of the food. Not even one little drops. So just carry that go give Pumpkin and make sure say you're not staying in my yard.
Oh, all right, sir. All right.
Here?
All right.
All right.
Yeah. Make it make sense now. From it makes sense, say me run it. Yeah. No, combo at 3,500. If you want, yeah, everything included. No, you don't have to ask that, sir. No, that's already. Yeah, and don't come with no short money. Combo include everything. You can get everything in the combo. That's why combo at 3,500. Sir, don't bother with my spirits today, sir. You know my thing go. No, I'm not coming in your yard. I'm not coming in your yard. You know I'm not coming in your yard and them something there. I'm not business about that. Guest house. Book the guest house. You know there's something there. And make sure you pick up 2 strawberry and sure. But I want nothing else. Yeah, I'm like that. So what time you come pick me up? That me want to know what time. So what time work I done? Now but I come give me a story. Hello, I'm soon call you back. No, don't go far.
Good morning, Keisha. Why you look for me like that, Keisha?
I'm on it now.
Then the morning now. What time? It's morning.
You just awake?
Eh? I'm going to work, girl. What? Eh?
You going to work. All the work you're working, I have no money. What the money what you have to give me there? Eh?
Keisha, me tell you, sir.
You tell me so
I get paid monthly. I
Yeah.
get paid monthly, Keisha. So therefore, as soon as me get all of the money, you will get the money.
As soon as
But
I get all the money?
Yeah, but me still want one little piece.
Still want a little piece?
Just put it on my bill.
I'm tell you this is not your woman or your yard. You can't come walk out my nice clean body and then come and tell me about next month. You can't trust this. I'm not shop you there. You're outside of your pants. Come better than that. You owe me already. Come with the money.
Keisha, I don't have as much money now. I just my little fear I have. I just fear. I'm just like a little piece.
So all the work you work, you not get no money. But mountain.
Yeah.
Right so now, a 3 hungry belly pit me have around there. And none of them do have no father. I mean if you cook something put on the table and you come tell me about hey.
Keisha, it doesn't require for you to behave like this now. You know I'm a big man. I mean say I'm a man of my word.
Pants is some of pants.
Keisha,
Is either you have the money or you don't have the money. You have the money or what?
Me have a little piece.
How much you have?
Just don't look funny. Don't look funny. Don't look funny. You know me. You know my thing come down already. So you say later.
$200 pants. You take my hungry pants.
You know how hard it is to get this $200? Hmm?
Come here.
You know how hard it is
Come
to
here.
get this $200?
You don't like it, so I'm going to back it up for you.
I like it, yes.
You like it, though?
I like it. No,
So
I
why
like
you don't like pay your money? Some man, you know, I'm bubble gum, me I eat and I beat up my gum. Eh?
So I could just
I'm
go.
hungry.
So I could
You
do
know,
peace now. I'm a lunch. I'm a lunch shot. Oh, I like that.
Next time you come, want everything. Must say
Everything.
everything where you owe me.
Everything. How much my bill there again?
3,500.
3,500.
3,500.
Pants not work. Yes, B. But no money. Pants not have no money, so I'm going to send Papa with something to cook. You could have come up, but I have to notify you when to come. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Yeah.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Get it, and you come.
You don't hear me? I call you, miss.
You can't just step in a pants house like that, you know.
Look here now. Pants house is also my house.
Not because they rent to a little place when you come, you can't step in like oh you feel. I'm not comfortable with that. How you want you now?
You know what I say? I find one little man.
Where you forget man now, Granny? You say you can't manage man now.
What you mean me can't manage man? Even though me still can't back it up and set it up. Let me show you a picture. Oh, there's something here. See me?
Me see him, he look nice man, but you're a young man.
Yes, I don't want no old boy, not call me old.
You never see this man here yet, do. So what about him?
Me like him, you know for Bucky.
So that you come to go and do show off your man for me?
Yes, I'm want to know how your pants are going.
Me and pants alright, Granny.
Tell me now, you sure say you don't know that man? Because me here say the young girl them half time a road, you know.
No, Granny. Me no know him.
Pumpkin, you sure?
Yes. So he come here and ask me no know him.
Boy, Pumpkin, I know something me do still, you know. Me blend up and give him. Wait, him. Get the oats, get the stuff again, get the nuts. And make him turn it on head, you know.
Yeah, go on with yourself, Dora.
And give him sour sap and chang back, chang up him back, you know.
I don't know him, do.
I hope so. Because me a go my hobby a man, you know.
You what? Where you go?
Me like a voodoo science man.
Oh, where you get them this style there from?
You know worry your head about it. Just know say. Anyhow me go and him tell me say none of them young girl yeah they run him. No I gonna know what go happen if I even me mama.
Granny, me no know. Me no know him. No know him.
Pumpkin, I went since just time you know. You know him or not? Turn one and look for me, girl.
Me no know him, Granny. Me no know him. Remember say pants me go nowhere, you know, go place me go a country down a me yard. Me don't know him.
Tell us if you come a party with me at night time, you know when time we are using insurance sweet.
Granny, you can buy insurance?
Of course. Insurance.
Insurance.
Run a shop, run a back road.
Me can't afford insurance.
It make me rum high so.
Yeah. And if you go know yourself.
Anyways, you see the get the oats, get it up then. And the ensure, try it with pants. Me I can go look for my young boy later.
Pants me. You gonna look for him now?
Yes.
Alright, Granny, take care.
Alright, peaches.
Yes, Granny. You could tell me say I am Granny there. Me not like that. Me you done. Me and you done. You can't tell me nothing. Me say you can't tell me nothing at all. Me you done. I'm gonna say man can't obey a man and voodoo man. Are you better insure? Granny, you insure you not to can't insure for me? A lot of joy you want to give me. No, I'm your business here, man. Me can't bother.
Pumpkin.
Granny, see it here. See it here.
Thanks, help me up there.
Come.
Thank you, alright,
See you later. Yeah, I mean, she's funny doing it.
Cook food!
Papa, so you just come in, so.
Cook food!
And say, I really want you in the house, you know. You should have told me this and that. Oh, you coming in a man place, so?
No! You tell me can turn here and you cook and give me food.
Fancy, so?
Yeah, and send them there. And go buy himself and give me that there. You have to cook and feed me.
And pants who come for lunch?
Cooking now.
Where onion are sitting in there? And
No,
piece of
hold
butter.
on. Put on this. Flash that in there. Yeah.
Andy, me not understand. Pants, I don't want you, I need a Andy.
Pants say me good for stay
You
here.
sure? Come in, I want pants, come here,
They
go
be
put me in a
share
Andy.
food tall. You just want a little spoon. Now wait, share. Cook food, cook food. Cook food.
Put on the plate.
Mas pants and no bread there.
Yeah, bread, I mean, I'll give you a piece and don't tell me something, give you no bread.
Everything good.
Me not trust you, you know.
Cook food, cook food.
Stand this up till me come then, me I go cook.
Cook food,
Don't move in and don't search up your place.
cook food, cook food, cook food.
You sure pants if you stay?
It's everything. Tall food.
Pants if you give tall food.
Pants ain't not enough. You just want one tonight mackerel out of this one piece and you cook the rest.
I'm if you give you some.
Yeah, tall plate. Mountain, blue mountain plate.
Alright then.
One
Don't
bucket.
move, you know.
Go on me and we're
I don't
cooking.
search up your place.
No.
You go cook it.
Hi, hi, hi.